Okay, welcome to the first Spider skill training video. As always, you can download the attached PDF to follow along. In Spiders, we're going to introduce the concept of subtraction with 10 pairs. So we're going to use the same 5 10 pairs that we learned in Ladybugs, but this time we're going to use them to do subtraction. So just like we had the addition rule for Ladybugs, in Spiders we have a very simple subtraction rule, and it simply states subtract 1 from the rod on the left and add the 10 pair complement of the number to be subtracted to the target rod. And just a note here that we will continue to build upon everything we've learned previously, so we might run into some ladybug conditions while doing our spider problems. So let's jump into a first example. And in this example, we're going to go ahead and start off by entering the number 2. Okay, that's easy enough. And then we need to add 8. Well, we only have 7 beads to add here, so we need that addition rule, which says add 1 to the next rod left and subtract 8's 10 pair, which is 2. So there we had to use our addition rule. And now it says to subtract 9. Well, I don't have any beads touching the reckoning bar here to subtract 9. So this is where I need to use my subtraction rule, which says subtract 1 from the rod on the left and then add 9's 10 pair complement, which is 1. So I add a 1 to my target rod there. And then finally we're going to add 6, which gives me my final answer of 7. So there was an interesting example using both the addition and subtraction rule. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at a second problem. Here we're going to start off by adding 3, and then we need to add 5. Okay, so far straightforward. And now I need to add 2. Well, I can't add 2 because I only have 1 bead available, so again I need my addition rule. Add 1 to the next rod left and subtract 2's 10 pair, which is 8, so I clear that 8 off of there. And now I need to subtract 6. Well, I don't have any beads touching the reckoning bar to subtract 6, so here's my subtraction rule. Take 1 from the next rod left and add 6's 10 pair, which is 4. So I add a 4 there for my final answer of 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into a third example. Alright, in this example we start off with 1, and then again I need to add 9, but I only have 8 beads available here, so I need my addition rule. Add 1 to the next rod left and subtract 9's 10 pair, which is 1. Then I need to subtract 5. Well, I don't have a 5 bead touching the reckoning bar here, so I need my subtraction rule. Take 1 from the next rod left and then add 5's 10 pair, which is 5, to the target rod. And then finally to add 4 for my final answer of 9. So there you have a quick introduction to subtraction with 10 pairs. Hopefully that's all clear. If not, please feel free to go back and review the video where you need. And good luck with your training.